Perfect.
What are these for?
You will find out in just a moment. Alright, take this pipe and go to the end of the room. Now, from there, look at the candle. What do you see?
I see the candle.
Now, bend the pipe a little and repeat. What do you see?
Dad, I don't see the candle anymore. Is it still there?
Yes, son. The candle is still here, but you can't see it. Can you tell me what this proves?
I don't know, Dad.
Alright. Let me tell you. This proves that light travels in a straight line. So when you bend the pipe, we cannot see the candle.
Oh.
Alright, let's move on then. Go to your room. So, what is this?
Of course I know it is a mirror, Dad.
What do you see in the mirror?
Me in my new haircut.
Correct. But what do you call it? Let's play a game to find out, shall we?